This is the Vevor 6-foot plastic folding bench. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so this thing is pretty cool, and it's pretty similar to those common plastic folding tables. It has a nice sturdy metal frame that all folds up into itself. Here's a look at the bottom of it as well. You can see there is plenty of support for the seat bottoms. And of course, it has these ring locks on the pieces that fold up the legs. So when you fold it out, you can lock them together so it doesn't accidentally come undone. There's also a lock in the center here to keep the bench nice and flat. And the bench is nice and sturdy. The whole thing has a weight rating of 200 pounds. And you can see just one side of this is easily able to support me jumping on it. And at 6 foot long, you can pretty comfortably fit about 4 adults on it. Now, folding this thing up is super quick and easy. And once you have it all folded up, it does have a nice handle to carry it around. And it does also clip together, so it's not going to fall apart when you're carrying it. All that being said, there is one small problem with this, and that is going to be these plastic caps on the ends of all of the feet. They are nice if you use this bench indoors because they will help protect your floor, but they are just friction fit on here, so eventually they probably will fall off. But yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty nice foldable bench. It's very nice and portable. It's super quick and easy to set up, and as you saw, it is really sturdy.